Is it rolling? Oh, okay, it's rolling. Alright, guys, this right here is my biggest unboxing ever. Because this, like, you know, like those things where you can, like, do it and, like, oh my god. Okay, guys, here it is in all of his glory. The Ninebot Kick Scooter Max. This is the only electric scooter that can go up to 15 miles per hour and can go 50 miles range. That's crazy. So this is the only sorry, let me rephrase that. So this electric scooter was pre-ordered, so there's only about like 1,000 given out. So I am one of the first. So anyway, this is like weather resistance, and there's dual brakes, so brakes on both wheels. There's built-in LEDs, which I will review in a minute, because the LEDs on this thing, it's so crazy because other electric scooters, when they shine their light, they only shine forward. This one shines at an angle, so you can see more around you. So we have a lot of Segway, Ninebot Segway vehicles, like this baby. So this is the Ninebot Segway. I don't know which model, but we love this thing. It's amazing, and I mastered it. So like this, it has rainbow lights. I don't know about this thing if it also has rainbow lights, because I know the other version has rainbow lights, and that one retails like $500. I don't know how this one retails. I'll probably leave a link in the description. But this one is so easy to get on, and you can move the joystick in the middle to move. You also lean forward and backwards. But like I said, this is an electric scooter, so it works a lot differently. So yeah. So as you can, I don't know if you can see it that well, but the lights on this thing is on the bottom, so you can see in front of you. And same as this one. This one, the LED shines like in an angle, like I said. So let's get this baby open. Okay, guys, I don't know where to start. This thing is absolutely insane. So I think just snip. There you go. So guys, there's one big disclaimer to this thing, cause this thing isn't really meant to be carried around like that, because this thing is supposed to be carried around like a luggage. It's supposed to carry it like a luggage, because you can fold this that way, and then you can carry it like a luggage and like stroll it behind you, because this thing's 50 pounds. So I don't think I can carry this. So I'm gonna summon my dad. And whoa, okay, that was cool. Alright, so there's my dad. Okay, so we're gonna now open it now. So like I said, this thing's 50 pounds, so it's really hard to thing to carry, and it's also very fragile. So when you open it, you're gonna start off over here, and you're gonna kind of pull it over. Oh my God, this thing looks beautiful. Alright, so first thing we have the cable. So what's awesome about this charging cable is that you can charge maximum in only 6 hours. And this cable, look, it doesn't have a box. So without the box, it's so light, and you can basically bring this wherever you want. So, which is pretty cool. So we're actually gonna do the writing portion of it tomorrow, same video. But yeah. So here is how the charger looks like. So it's unfortunately does not take 2, it takes 3, and you can just plug it in there like that. It's so simple. So, yep. This thing looks amazing. Alright, I have to be honest, this is quite the thick instruction manual. That's a pretty thick instruction manual. But, so, how are we supposed to take it out? Alright, So we're gonna take this out. So yeah. Alright guys, we got it. We gotta handle this. Once we take it out, you guys are gonna see how good this thing looks. It looks absolutely insane. Oh, okay. Here it is. In all its glory. Ninebot Kick Scooter Max. Oh god. Here it is. Get that out. Okay. So the box is actually really heavy itself. So this thing does have a Bluetooth app, so you can control like how fast it goes and everything. So dude, guys, this thing looks absolutely insane. So I heard there's like a screen and stuff and everything. So this like all Ninebot vehicles, it works like they expect you to go like on the streets and stuff, and because so they have like rear like back lights and stuff in the front light. We're gonna get this thing assembled, so let's head to the fast motion. Here it is, the Ninebot kick scooter in all of its glory. Look at this thing. Just look at it. And let's head to the close-ups. Okay. Here we are. So, first let's look at the top. So you hold this down to power on and to power it off. You hold it. So here is the bell. It kind of scared the hell out of me, but there's a bell. Here is the brake. Here is a clamp that you shouldn't touch. Here is a clamp that you shouldn't. Here is a clamp that you shouldn't. Here's acceleration. So I don't know if you can hold it slightly to go forward. So to close it, it's pretty easy. You'll only have to unclamp this and do that, which I'll show you in a second. To do this, so first you come here, and then you need to break this part. Not really break, but unclamp it. First you need to, there's something over here, which you have to do this, that's so I can open it, and then you should be able to do it like that. Oh, there we go. So after that, you just have to pull it down, and then like I said, that clamp over here can latch on. So see, remember this clamp I was talking about? This clamp, it clamps on over here, and you can just bring it on your way. But it's 50 pounds, I don't think I can carry it. But that's all you have to do. It's really fast and everything. So also, I think this also has that feature where you can just, so you can basically just pull it with you while you're going on it. So that's really cool. And all you have to do is back here on the latch, you just pull forward, and you bring it upwards. And same thing, you do this, you pull it upwards, and then you push that in, and you're basically done. So yeah. Okay guys, back to the LED, because I'm really excited about that. So you turn it on, and then it should give me an option. Yeah, there we go. Look at it, it's angled. So it shoots downwards. I don't want to look directly into it, but you see how it's angling downwards. So yeah, that's what I was talking about the I don't know what's beeping. So I'm not gonna hit this now because it's just gonna run into the wall. But that's literally that's why I love the light, which is really cool. Okay guys, so that was the Ninebot scooter, Ninebot Kick Scooter Max. So let's go into more of an in-depth look at this thing. So this is the Ninebot Segway Kick Scooter. So here first you have a bell. There's actually a bell itself, so don't hold on to that part obviously. Over here we have the hydraulic brake, just like any normal brake. Brakes like a normal brake. And then we have the screen, and you have to double click to change modes. So this bar represents the battery, and hit once and you get the light. And turn it off, hit it again, turns it off. And then over here we have the latch that latches on to this part during the compact mode, and this is the accelerate. So if you think 10 miles is still too fast for you, you have to just slowly accelerate, and then this is max. Or max is actually 15 miles. So, and then moving on to this area, this is the area where you, so to do compact mode, you have to undo this part. So you open up the latch, and then you pull this part down, and then you bring the entire area to that part, and you have to carry this area. So you get this sticker and hold on this area and carry it on. But it's 50 pounds, so I don't know how you guys are gonna handle that. But yeah. And alright, so I haven't talked about this before, but the wheels. So you may think, oh, it's just a wheel, right? But this wheel has something very special about it. So when something punctures the wheel, there's a gel inside the tire that patches up what's inside. So you can literally like prevent all sorts of like quote unquote car accidents. So I feel like they should use this technology more in natural cars, because isn't that gonna be amazing? Just it patches it up for yourself. So that's really cool. So that's really all there is to the Ninebot Segway Kick Scooter Max. And if you want to find more products and stuff, go to Indigo. Not sponsored. All my videos aren't sponsored, like I said. Ninebot Kick Scooter Segway Kick Scooter Max Indigo Special Edition. So yeah, that is really all there is to this thing, this bad boy. So yep, this thing is absolutely insane. So guys, like I said, this is pre-ordered, so it's not available with the public yet. But if you want something similar to this, you can buy the other version, like the E something Go. Anyway, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button right here. And here is my Disneyland trip playlist right here. And here is a video that YouTube recommends for you. If you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like I said. And until next time, see ya.